Hello student, this is my differential of algebraic functions part 1 by me. Note, here algebraic function treated as the base. Other related videos available in the description box of the differential of algebraic function part 1 video file. Please subscribe, please press the bell icon, also give comment student. This is very important. Don't forget to do this. Okay, fine. For this I had taken one sum. Before that I would explain the concept. You should know the derivatives. Derivatives, there are a lot of formulas available. Derivative sin x, differential cos x minus sin x, like this it is available. So, but for us, only these two functions only coming. So, sin and cos and minus sin only coming. That's why I underline this. Okay, you don't bother about other derivatives that are not coming. Okay. Another thing, important rules is very important. There are so many rules, 5 rules available in this. Here, in this problem, 3 rules are coming. That is why I have shown in the italics part 1, 2 and 5. 1 is what? Rules for differential trigonometric function. What is the rule? Differential of power into differential of base into differential of angle. What is rules for differentiating algebraic function? Differential of power into differential of base. What is the rules for differentiating logarithm function? 1 by function, differential of respective function. Okay. Here I have taken one sum for the example, that is y is equal to square root of 3 cos of 2x plus 11 minus 3 log sin x minus 11. So, here this function is in square root form. You have to consider this and this as the algebraic function only. What is the meaning of this? This is otherwise called as 3 cos 2x plus 11 minus 3 log sin x minus 11 whole power half. What is the rule for differentiating algebraic function? Differential of power into differential of base. What is power? Since this is treated as 3 cos 2x plus 11 minus 3 log sin x minus 11 whole power of power. What is the differential of power? X power n is what? Nx n minus 1. That's why half into 3 cos 2x plus 11 minus 3 log sin x minus 11 half minus 1. Okay. Now what happened? Complete power is over. What is the algebraic rule is telling? Differential of cos x is what? So first differential of power is over. So power is, what is the meaning of after differentiating power? Write down the power as it is 1 by 2. Don't disturb the base and subtract minus 1 from the half. Now the differential of power is completely over. Then we have to differentiate the base. What is base? Base is 3 cos of 2x plus 11 minus 3 log sin x 11 minus 11. Okay. There are 3 terms available. We have to differentiate one by one. First, what is this? 3 cos 2x plus 11. And this power is not available. So differentiate base and angle. So 3 is the constant. If constant and variable are present, what is the rule available? Keep the constant and differentiate the variable. What variable is cos 2x plus 11. What is the differential of cos x? Minus sin x. So in the place of x, I replace 2x plus 11. Into differential of angle is what? 2x plus 11. So 2 minus 3 log sin x. It is logarithmic function. What is the logarithmic function rule is telling? 1 by function into differential of respective function. So here it is 3 constant and log sin x is variable. If constant and variable, but what is the rule is telling? Keep the constant and differentiate the variable. So minus 3. What is the differential of log x? Log sin x. How to differentiate? Okay. Logarithmic function is 1 by function into differential of respective function. So function is what? Sin x. So 1 by sin x. Again we have to differentiate what? Sin x only. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. Here power is not available. So base cos x. Angle is x 1. There the differential of 11 is 0. That is why constant differential is 0. It is 0. Now what happens if we simplify this equation? What will come, student? Please listen. Half is half. Root of 3 cos 2x plus 11 minus 3 log sin x minus 11. Half minus 1 is what? Minus half. So as per the laws of indices rule, what is a power minus half? A power minus half is 1 by a power half. That is otherwise called as 1 by square root of a. Okay. This 3 into this is cos 2x plus 11 minus 3 log sin x 11 minus 11 square root. Because instead of writing half, I am writing the square root. Now what happened? This simplification is over. And after this, see here, what is here? Here it is 3, here it is 2. 3 into 2 gives what? 6 minus. So minus 6 sin 2x plus 11. And 3 is available. I put the 3 there. Cos by sin is cot x. Now see here, what I explained? I explained thoroughly this one, everything from this to this. From this to this I explained. Once more I explained. So what happened? So power is over, base is over, angle is over. Simplification is off, put off as it is. Since it is a power minus half, it comes down 1 by a power half. It is otherwise called as 1 by square root of a. That's why 3 cos 2x plus 11 minus 3 log sin x 11 minus 11 into differential is either given, so I am writing this. So simplification I explain. I again explain again some say simplification of is there. So you bring this. This is actually it's available in the third place. You put in the second place. Multiplication we can put as we like. In the star is that. That's why star 1 by same thing only carry forward. Here no confusion for you to understand. See now again how to simplify this. This is very important. See minus sine 6 sine 2x plus 11 minus 3 cot x by 2 gives what? 6 by 2 is what? Minus 3 sine of 2x plus 11. So 3 by 2 is what? 1.5x. So this into 1 gives the same thing only by what is here? 2 is there. 2 is adjusted with this. So 2 again won't come. So since minus sine 6 sine 2x plus 11 minus 3 cot x is adjusted with 2. That is why that is only coming as the numerator. So denominator part is not no change in this. That's why I am putting this same thing. Okay. Then over. In the place cos x by sin x I put cot x. That's why I have written cot x equal to cos x. Note this problem is fully solved. Please press the bell icon so that my videos will be updated. Thank you for the nice cooperation, student. Thank you.